Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I'm Miriam J. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine, and I'm going to be using skincare products from Skin Champagne. I'm really excited to do this skincare routine for you guys using these products because one, they're Black owned, and two, I absolutely love these products. They are made with natural ingredients and ingredients that are not going to harm your skin, but more so help your skin. So if you guys want to see my nighttime skincare routine, please keep watching.
If you want it, boy, you got it. Ain't you ever seen a princess be a bad bitch?
Okay, so clearly I have a full face of makeup on right now, so I have to remove my makeup. So first what I'm gonna do is take off these lashes. Oh my goodness. So I remove my makeup with a makeup removing wipe. I just feel like it is the most gentle way to remove your makeup. I do not use makeup wipes anymore, you guys. They're bad for the environment. So pretty much what you do is, this is made with 100% polyester, and you damp it with some warm water and you run it over your skin very gently, and it removes, I would say, about 70% of your makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and remove our makeup. I still have a couple of imperfections on my skin. However, it's way better than it was before. It's getting so much better. So I do have my eyebrows tinted, so that's why it looks like my eyebrows are still on. So now I'm gonna go in with this sparkling water. So this is a micellar water, and this removes all of your makeup without stripping your skin of all of its natural oils. I'm just using the other side of this towel to remove the remainder of my makeup. You're really supposed to put this on a cotton round, but I use these because I just feel like it's more cost effective to use something that's washable. So I don't have the most perfect skin, but if you guys saw where my skin was before, you would be like, girl, what did you do? So next I'm going to cleanse my skin, and I'm going to use this Mimosa cleanser. As you guys can see, like, I freaking love it because it's already almost done. And I'm gonna go in with an electric facial brush. This is literally the reason why I don't have acne anymore. Like, I'm telling you guys. This is why I use an electric brush, because look at all that makeup that's still on this brush. So now I'm gonna go rinse off. I'll be right back. So we're all washed up. I'm gonna dry my face. Typically I would do this in the bathroom, but the way the echo in the bathroom is set up, it ain't cute. I love this Mimosa cleanser. It literally like removes everything without stripping your skin. Like, I don't feel like my skin is like super dehydrated. I freaking love it. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Mimosa mask. It is a clay mask, and it actually comes in powder form, and you activate it with liquid. So I'm gonna take a ceramic bowl and my mask, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here. That much, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water inside of here. We only use purified water on our faces. Just kidding. And I'm going to mix it with this, I don't know what this is called, a mask applier. I freaking love this mask. It helps with my dark spots, it helps with my acne. It has turmeric in it. It has orange and lemon peels in it to help brighten up those dark spots. One thing that I find so interesting is that it also has black truffle. Like, that's a very expensive ingredient. Like, it's a very luxurious ingredient, and I'm so excited to have a product that has that in there. So I'm just gonna apply it to my face with this So I have my mask on and I'm loving how it's looking. Yellow is my color. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So it's been about 12 minutes. My face is stiff like always. We love a stiff face. You guys like this cup? It says hello gorgeous, see? Oh, well that worked out. So like I mentioned before, that mask had turmeric in it, so it will slightly, temporarily stain your skin a little yellow. So be mindful of that. Also, if you have a light colored nails, be careful with that mask. Like it will literally stain your nails. Like because it has turmeric in it. It's not the mask, it's just turmeric does that. I'm gonna go on with this Mimosa toner. It is a hydrating toner. It does not have alcohol in it, and it has hyaluronic acid. And it's one of the top 5 ingredients, so it's pretty up there. So that means there's a lot of hyaluronic acid in here, and I need all of it. Whew. That mask we just used was an exfoliating mask, so it kind of like sucks up all of the impurities out of your skin, so it can leave it like a little dry. So I love to follow it up with this toner because it is just amazing. So next I'd like to go in with this Mimosa serum. It is a vitamin C serum, and when I tell you guys, this serum is bomb, like so bomb. This is a brightening serum. It has vitamin C in it. It has hyaluronic acid. So this will help with improving the texture of your skin. And right after my moisturizer, I like to apply this Mimosa facial oil. I do have oily skin, but this helps to balance all the oils in my skin. I freaking love this oil. It smells so freaking good. Another serum that I absolutely love is this pink lemonade serum, and when I tell you guys, this serum smells so yummy. It literally smells like pink lemonade. I typically use this serum as a primer right before my makeup. I like to use it under my eyes at night because it is antioxidant rich, and I love to use antioxidants under my eyes because crow's feet does not have a home on my face. Excess product goes on our hands because first sign of aging are on our hands. And don't forget to run everything down your neck. I freaking love everything from Skin Champagne. I love the brand. I love that it's Black owned, and I love that it's also vegan, cruelty free, and it's made in the USA. All of these products are sulfate and paraben free, and they're also all made from all natural ingredients. I just freaking love it. Like, look how good my skin looks. Like I said, I don't have the most perfect skin, but if you guys saw where my skin was before and where it is now, you'd be asking me, what have you been doing, girl? Make sure you guys check out Skin Champagne. I will link their website below. The website is getskinchampagne.com, and make sure you guys use my coupon code MiriamJ to get 10% off. I hope you guys enjoyed this nighttime skincare routine. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. So here is up close to my skin. Before I go to bed, I still have some mascara left under my eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.